Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to solve question number 2784, which is check if array is good of LeetCode. So first I will explain the question, then the approach, then I will write the code in C++, and then I will tell the time complexity and space complexity of this question. So let's read the question. You are given an integer array nums. We consider an array good if it's a permutation of an base of n, of an array base n. Base of n is 1 to n, but n is twice. In other words, it is an array of length n plus 1 which contains 1 to n minus 1 exactly once plus 2 occurrence of n. For example, base of 1 is equal to 1 of 1 as the base is 1. So it should be till 1 to 1, but the largest number is 1, so it should be twice. And base of 3, so the base is 3. So the size should be 3 plus 1, 4. And the largest number is 3. It should be twice. And every number till 1 to twice. Largest number minus 1 should be there. So 1, 2, 3, 3. If it's base of 4, it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Size will be 5 and 4 will occur twice. Return true if the given array is good. Otherwise return false. Note, a permutation of integer represent an arrangement of this number. So what's the approach? First, we will sort the array. We will create an integer to store the size of the nums, and we will check if the last integer of the array plus 1 is equal to the size of the array. As you can see, the last integer is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. And if it's a good array, the 4 should be the size of the nums array. Or else, the nums array size should be greater than or equal to 2. As base of 1, the smallest case is 1 of 1, so the size can't be 1 or 0. And then what we'll do is we will create a frequency map in which we will count the frequency, and then we will traverse in the map. If the value is n minus 1 and it's occurred 2 times, then it's true, or else we will return false, and each other frequency other than n minus 1 should occur once. So let's sort our array first. We definitely have to sort this, or else it will not work. Now the if condition. If first, let's store the size. N is not equal to nums of n minus 1, which is the last number, plus 1, or n is less than 2. We will return false. Yes. Now let's create an unordered map in which we store the value and its frequency. Like this, we will show the frequency of all the characters. Now let's traverse in the map, auto, and MP keyword. MP we will use it as a variable, and frequency name. Now, if the value of the integer is n minus 1, which will be the largest integer, first it should be that, and if its frequency is not equal to 2, we will return false. And it should only be 2 and not more than 2 or less than 2. And other than that, everything should be of one frequency, otherwise we will return false. And if everything pass, then we will return true. So as you can see, we passed all the 4 test cases. Now let's submit our code. As you can see, we got 0 millisecond runtime, which beats 100% of people. So the runtime complexity of this question is n log n. So the sorting is n log n, and then first time traversing is n, and the other traverse is also n. So the frequency is n log n, and the space complexity is O of n, as we are creating one ordered map. So it will take all the integer at least once. So if you like my explanation, give a like, and for more such LeetCode explanation, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.